Okay guys, this is episode 12 in building timber, and in this one, I'm going to show you like all my organization stuff I do. It's going to be great! Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the clip of what I took last year when I was still remodeling my camper, and show you like all the ideas I had at that time, and then I'm going to show you a clip of like nowadays, like right now, of what I have and what I ended up doing with all my organization stuff. So, you guys enjoy it. Morning, everybody! So, this last several months, or this last month, I've been looking on Hobby Lobby's little weekly ad to see like when stuff goes on sale, and stuff went on sale this week, and I kind of spent, quite a bit of money on some like little storage ideas. But mostly I just kind of bought a bunch of stuff to kind of see how it will fit, and then I'm going to return what doesn't work out because there's just not very much wall space around here. But anyway, like this, so I'm going to put like this, if you can see it, there you go. So like the sink's like right there, there's not much space right here to like put any storage, but this guy's pretty skinny, and so I was like, that will fit perfectly. See, like it even goes all the way to the edge, and I can hang like my little measuring spoons on it and stuff. I was like, that's really cool. So I'm probably going to be keeping that one. And there's a bunch of stuff over here that I probably won't be using. Some shelving and stuff right there. So I've got this really cool thing. It looks like a little weird birdhouse or something. I don't know. Look at that. It's so cool. And it's got like a little lid right there. It fits like perfectly right there. I love that thing. Like, I gotta keep that. My major thing is the bathroom. The bathroom has like no storage at all. There is a cabinet that I took out. I'm going to put it back, but I took it out so I can work on the wall. So it's like a mirror that kind of has like, you can put your toilet paper and stuff in there. I was like, there's nothing in the bathroom where I can store anything. So I got this guy, and I feel like he's going to fit like right up here pretty well. I'm worried about tall space though, because I mean, it's so short in here, but I feel like it's skinny enough that it won't really affect people bending down and washing their hands, like people that come to visit. I mean, it's not gonna ruin my headspace. I got these really cool little guys right here. Like, they're really small and skinny, and they actually fit like right there perfectly. I got 4 of these. So, like, I don't know. Like, I can put one right here and put my toothbrushes and stuff in it, and my toothpaste. It's like, yeah, that's cool. And one big thing I'm really excited about is down under the sink, because there's awesome space under here that I want to utilize. I'm like, it's amazing, but what should I do? So I found these guys, and I can stick them like right above the floor like that. And this one right here too, it's a little bit smaller. Like, and like it just fits under there so awesome. And like right here, this really awkward space right here between the wall and the toilet. Like, look at that! That's amazing! I think I'm gonna get another one of these because like they fit here perfectly. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. I can put all my little towels and wash rags in there. Yeah. I think that's about it. I got another one of those. I don't know where I'm going to put it at. Oh, also, I got a whole bunch of cool little, like, baskets. I mean, all this stuff was 50% off, so I kind of went a little crazy. And, like, I don't know, I just got some really cool stuff. Like, this right here will fit in the drawers, and I can put, like, my spatulas and stuff in there. And, like that. I mean, like, I can put lids in there. I don't know. It's just really cute and cool, so I just kind of bought a bunch of stuff. And, like, this little basket was, like, I don't know. Originally, it's $4, so I got this little cute basket for only $2. I was like, yeah! Okay. And one really, really awesome, cool thing that I really want to make work because I love tea. Okay, so tea, I want to have this little guy right here for tea. So I tested it. I got a whole bunch of little tea boxes, and they all 9 tea boxes are going to be able to fit in here perfectly. So, like, this is a tea box, and so, like, the 3 fits that way, and then 3 also fits that way. There's a little bit of room I can put for, like, loose teas and stuff. And so the idea is that I'm going to hang it up here like that, and I'm going to put hinges on the back side and a clip on the front. And so when I want to get access to it, I'll just unclip it from the front, and it'll come down like that, and I can access my tea. That means I can have 18 tea boxes at once because I got a second one right there. So I'm really excited about that. I think that's about all. I mean, I haven't really done much this weekend except shop, so good stuff. Okay, so like what I started off with was with the middle basket rack thing, which I ended up not doing. I actually took it apart and I stuck one right here, and then I stuck one like right up here so that I could have space for this. I found this guy at a yard sale and stained it like a dark walnut, and it's worked out great. I love it. I just need to find a way maybe to secure it because it's not secure yet. And then maybe someday like stick like little bars in there so I can stick stuff in there and not have to worry about like securing stuff, because that's like a big thing I'm like dealing with right now whenever I move. I have too much glass stuff. I think another thing I did was this basket right here. I ended up sticking it right here instead. I keep my yarn and I have my old little horse in there. And then I actually stuck in this spot, I stuck my calendar right there. Norman Rockwell. And then in the bathroom's great. So I'm really, really happy with how the bathroom turned out. So like right here's my composting toilet. That's my sawdust. And then I have a small mini dehumidifier right there. And then under here, and also guys, by the way, my house is a wreck. I haven't cleaned it. It happens. It gets dirty really fast. Okay, so down here I have that one big basket, and right here I have my trash can right here, and I have like a whole bunch of like towels and stuff, and then this one here is slightly smaller, and then these other two smaller ones right here. So these have worked out really, really great. I'm super happy how that was like organized. Like there's so much space under there, and like walking around wise, like it doesn't affect how you can walk in this space. Like it doesn't affect it at all. And then actually this right here is a recent addition that I did for when I start taking showers in my shower, because I don't really use it as a shower right now. So when I do showering, I can have my shampoo like easy access, like right there. So that's really nice, because yeah, so shower is shower's right here. So I'm thinking about maybe eventually sticking up here, have a some sort of like little thing that I could put like my soap in, maybe, and then maybe put like a succulent up there. I just thought it'd be kind of funny to have like a plant in the shower because there's a little skylight. I don't know, I just think it'd be great. And this right here is the mirror. It's actually, I ended up adding the distressing to it, which I went a little happy with. The mirror is kind of annoying. If you guys do this, which is really cool, don't go happy, because sometimes if you use too much distressing, you can't actually use it as a mirror very well. And then I also have this guy here I also got at Hobby Lobby too. And he's great. So, yeah. Bathroom is super great. I really like how my bathroom turned out. My closet, I'm still working on doing stuff for organization in there. So let's not go there yet. On the arches, I do a lot of hanging. I hang a lot of stuff on the arches. And then I also have like little small shelving that goes up along the edges here on both sides. And then up in the bunk at night, I actually stick my phone like up there at night when it charges. And I have like a USB up under here. I have 3 USBs. They're super, super handy. I love them. And then also in between these awkward spaces between the arch and the cabinets, I got some book shelving, and then I also have a spot up here where I can keep my cutting boards and stuff. And I think that's about it. Oh, also these additions right here. These are super great. I love these. But the only thing about them, you have to make sure you get the right size paper bowls and paper cups, because my bowls are not the right size. So I haven't got my bowls yet, so I'm just going to use these up first. But this is super great, super awesome. I love them. And then also I got some shelving up here for putting like canned stuff, which is super handy. Okay, so like my pride and joy, I've gotten so many compliments about these. I love them. So here are my tea baskets. This is how they turned out. So there's all my teas, and I actually used this one for coffee, so it actually worked out really, really good. So the hatch I got from, I think, a trailer store or something, RV trailer store, like Dunlap Family RV. I think I got it from there. And then of course this was from Hobby Lobby, and I got the hinges that are in the back. I got those from a shack from my friend's house. Just retrofitted it all in there. So it's really great. You just pull it down, get what you want, and then just go right back. I love those. Those are great. So, yes, pardon my messy house. I'm trying to organize it. But, yeah. And also, like, hanging my mugs up, too. The only thing, when I move too, I have to take those down, which is really annoying. So if you guys do the hanging mug thing, I would highly recommend getting like a little hook that has the little slips on it to where you can open it and close it. It's like a carabiner sort of, I guess. I haven't actually located any of those, but if you guys find them, all the power to you. So I also have these up here too. But yeah, so you see I have my blanket up here. I'm like securing all my glassware. So it's been 2 weeks and I still haven't unsecured everything, but I've only been here like 3 days, so I've been couch surfing a lot, saving some gas. Anyway, you guys take care. This is actually a pretty long episode of building timber, but yeah, change stuff up, you know, and I guess I'm gonna be putting my groceries away. Yep, finally got hooked up. My fridge is on. Finally can have groceries again. Yes! Okay, you guys take care.